Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about DSCR loans. So if you're looking to invest in rental properties or commercial real estate, understanding DSCR loans can be a game changer. So let's get started. So what exactly is a DSCR loan? DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. It's a financial metric used by lenders to determine if a property generates enough income to cover its debt. Basically, it helps lenders assess the risk of lending you money for your investment property. The formula to calculate DSCR is pretty easy. First, you take the net operating income, or NOI, of the property, and then you divide it by the total debt service. For example, if your property generates $100,000 in NOI each year and your total debt service each year is $75,000, your DSCR will be 1.33. So we would take 100,000 divide by 75,000, and that's where the 1.33 comes from. What this means is you have $1.33 of income for every dollar of debt. Lenders typically look for a DSCR of 1.25 or higher. A higher DSCR indicates the property generates sufficient income to cover the debt, which reduces the risk to the lender. If your DSCR is below 1, it means the property isn't generating enough income to cover its debt, making it a riskier investment. To qualify for a DSCR loan, you'll need to provide detailed financial information about the property itself. This information includes the rental income as well as the operating expenses such as property taxes and hazard insurance. They will also look to see if there's existing debt on the property. Lenders will also look at your personal credit history as well as the appraised value of the property. You will actually have to pay for an appraisal. So it's important to have your financials in order related to the property itself and be prepared to present a strong case to the lender. DSCR loans offer several benefits for investors. One, easier qualification. Since the loan is based on the property's income rather than your personal income, it can be easier to qualify for. Second, higher loan amounts. With a strong DSCR, you can potentially secure higher loan amounts. And third, flexibility. DSCR loans can be used for various types of properties, including residential rental properties, commercial buildings, and mixed-use properties. How do DSCR loans compare to traditional loans? While traditional loans often require you to qualify based on your personal income and credit worthiness, DSCR loans focus on the income generated by the property itself. This can be advantageous for investors who have multiple properties or complex income streams. Now, before you go, here are a few tips for getting the best DSCR loan. Number one, improve your DSCR by reducing the property's expenses or increasing the rental income. Two, shop around. Different lenders have different criteria and loan products. Compare offers to find the best terms. And three, be prepared. Have all of your financial documents related to your property ready to streamline the application process. So there you have it. Understanding DSCR loans can help you make smarter investment decisions and grow your real estate portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about DSCR loans, drop them in the comments below this video and I'll be sure to answer them. Until next time, happy investing.